Peacock. Peacock is a national bird of India. Bengal tiger. Bengal tiger is a national animal of India. River dolphin. River dolphin is a national aquatic animal of India. Elephant. Elephant is a national heritage animal of India. Mango. Mango is a national fruit of India. Lotus. Lotus is a national flower of India. Banyan tree. Banyan tree is a national tree of India. Indian rupee. Indian rupee is a national currency of India. Satyameva Jayate. Satyameva Jayate is the national emblem of India. Tiranga. Tiranga is a national flag of India. Janagana Mana. Janagana Mana is a national anthem of India. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is the national song of India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.